So what's going on YouTube? It's your boy King J the Barber, and I'm back with the video. This video will be I did a 1.5 with the grain just to see the waves. His mom came in asking for a 1.5, or not really a 1.5, but just enough to see his waves come in. On the side, she just wanted a skin fade, so I decided to do some type of mid skin fade. It's kind of to your judgment. The way I saw it was a mid skin fade. So yeah, it's 1.5 with the grain, mid skin fade. I will be using my seniors, my 5-star seniors, and my masters for this video, and my TL liner trimmer. So the video kind of lacks on the lighting, but at the end of the video you guys will see a better picture and a better video of the whole haircut. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for clicking the video, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Also comment down below what kind of haircuts you guys would like to see. So yeah, man, enjoy the video. So YouTube, in this first step, we're balding out the first just a little bit above the ear, since it's like a bald fade. Not really much, just close lever, bald out halfway, as you can see. Now I know the lighting sucks, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna go one side of the head, and basically show you guys from one side of the head. Now on this one, I already opened the lever. It's kind of hard to tell, like I said, because of the lighting, so I'm sorry. I kind of will work on that, but yeah, we're opening up the lever all the way open, and we're going about 1/2 inch or so. Since the canvas is so small, we're gonna work with that, but it's about 1 inch or 1/2 inch, just depending on your canvas size. Now we are starting to blend the first guideline, which will do. I drop down to a close lever and slowly, little by little, start opening as I flick out, just to not leave no harsh lines. But I do go back and touch it up once I'm done. But for now, just start with your close lever and slowly start opening it. Now here, just to be safe, I grabbed my number 1 guard and slapped it on. I do have it open just to be safe once again, but later on in this video I do go to my half guard, my 1/16 guard, and kind of blend out that harsh line you guys see. So yeah guys, like I said, just to be safe, I usually it's more of a try and error type of thing, but just to be safe, I did go with my 1, like I said, and then I'll go back with my 1/16. So you always want to pick a guard that's higher if you're going through that method, just to be safe. But yeah guys, so keep on watching. Now on this step right here, I did flick out, or rake down with my 1/16, and it is open. I slowly start to close it as I fade down. So this is like a backwards fading technique, and it, with coarse hair, it allows it to lay down better. So yeah, that's kind of something that if you guys didn't know, you guys could try, and then you guys could go back and fade again towards up and get all the little stringy hairs that you didn't get in the first try. Now here, since you guys could barely tell, there is still a little bit of a line, So I went back with my masters all the way open and just flicked out a little bit, just because your master opens to a 1. Like I said, it's just a trial and error. I didn't really want to risk it, so I went with the easy side of the guards, although I could fade it. I could have faded the whole haircut with just my masters and it would have been perfectly fine. I didn't show you guys in the first part of the video, but I did go with my 1.5 metal with the grain on top of the head. So as you guys can see right now, I'm just raking it down with my masters all the way open, and then I'll slightly start to close it just like I did with my 116 guard. And like I said, guys, there's nothing wrong with just going the easiest route and be safe. But yeah, guys, so that's pretty much the end of the fade. The next part is just more about a little detail work, and you guys will get the hang of that. But keep on watching, guys. Like I said, guys, here I'm just really touching up just dark spots that I see, and it's mainly for the video, just so you guys could see the whole side of the blend. I did go back with my masters and blended out that line that I left in the back of the head. It's just little touch-up work that I see, dark spots. I will be grabbing my 116 guard and just taking out that dark spot that I see. And really, you guys should go back and touch up little things that you see. Don't never let a cut just go like that. No matter the time you have your client in the chair, you always try to do the best haircut you can do. So that's pretty much it, guys. So yeah, YouTube, that's the cut. I did the same steps, both sides of the head, hit them up with the lineup, and that's about it, man. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. The videos will be longer and you will have better quality next time. Sorry for the lack of the lighting, but anyways, give this a thumbs up. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below what kind of haircuts you guys want to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.